In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply exit and entry animations on elements in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make any object on your design smoothly appear and disappear, creating a polished, professional flow. Start by opening your design in Canva and selecting the element you want to animate. This could be text, a shape, a photo, or even a graphic. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around it. Taking a moment to pick the right element first helps you stay focused on one motion at a time and keeps your design feeling intentional. With your element selected, head to the top toolbar and click Animate. This opens the animation panel, which is your control center for movement. Here you'll find a range of styles, from subtle fades and slides to more dynamic bounces and bursts. Think about the tone of your project as you browse. For professional presentations and social posts, gentler motions like fade, pan, or rise often look clean and modern. Next, choose the animation you want to use. When you click a style, Canva applies it immediately so you can see how it feels on your canvas. Many animations include simple variations, like direction or intensity, so feel free to fine-tune within the same style to better match your layout. Keep consistency in mind. Using one or two related animations across a project usually looks more cohesive than mixing many different ones. After you've settled on the look, click Animate again to view the behavior options for that element. This is where you control whether the animation happens when the element appears, when it leaves, or both. These settings help your content flow in and out naturally, especially if you're creating multi-page presentations or timed video designs. Finally, choose both. This tells Canva to apply your chosen effect as an entry and an exit. The element will use the same style to come onto the screen and to leave it, which keeps your motion consistent and avoids jarring transitions. This is particularly helpful for titles, captions, and key graphics that you want to introduce, feature briefly, and then clear away gracefully. A few quick pointers as you work. Select animations that support your message rather than steal attention, keep motion duration similar across elements for rhythm, and reuse the same style for related items to create a unified look. With these steps and choices, your Canva designs will feel smoother, clearer, and more professional from start to finish.